go. Last tournament, West Boggs Lake. Oh, what a beautiful morning already. Let's do this. We made it onto West Boggs Lake for the last final tournament for West Boggs Derby. I'm a little late on the water as usual, but hey, I'm here. I'm excited. It's a beautiful day, and I'm not going to be so stressed out today. My goal is to not get skunked. My next goal is to catch a limit, and my third goal is just to have fun and relax on this beautiful day on West Boggs. So here we go. So today I'm going to head to the other side of the lake. Seems to be where I have the most luck on this lake. Still not real confident on this lake. This is my 5th time on it. You'd think I'd know, but I do feel a little better on it than I have in the past. So today I'm just going to breathe and I'm going to just fish. Starting out with the crawl, creature bait. And this looks like a good place, but I mean the whole lake looks like a good place, so there's just no telling. It's up to the Lord if the fish are gonna bite today. I got it. It's a little one, but hey, it's a fish. First fish of the day. Skunk is out of the boat. I know it's just a little one, but I don't care. The skunk is out of the boat. Okay, let's do this. Yes. First fish of the day. It's tiny. Number 2. Oh, I missed it. Darn it. Oh, I needed it. I don't care if it was small, I still needed it. Okay. Let's try that again. Darn it. Darn. Number 2. They're small, but I'll take them. I just want a limit. Okay, number 2. Probably just as big as the other one, maybe even smaller, but we don't care. We don't care. Here we are. Let's just put them on the board and keep on fishing. Okay, we got this. Number 2. 2 on the board so far. They're dinks, but I'll take it. 3 more to get a limit. Heading over to the other side of the lake. See what I can find. It's a beautiful sunny day here in southern Indiana. I'm so happy to be on the boat. The sun's shining because cold's coming. Cold is coming. So I'm happy to be on the lake today. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Got something on my jig. I just don't know really how to set the hook on a jig, but I think I got it. Got it. Okay, got me a good one, guys. Got me a good one on a jig. Okay, got me a good one on a jig. Let's get this out of the way. This one's broken off. Okay, let's get this on the board. Okay, well, that paid off. That certainly paid off. Let me just clean all this up here. Okay, wait till you guys see what I got. Wait till you see what I got on a jig. Barely was hooked on it. Picked up this jig last night, had my daughter go pick it up for me, and it worked. Got me a nice one. Check them out, guys. Check them out. Let's put them on the board. I'm happy about that. Happy, happy. I wasn't quite sure how to work the jig, but I figured it out. Okay, let's put them on the board. Ah, boy, that was kind of a waste of energy going across the lake back that way. Ah, that was kind of a bummer. Well, live and learn. Live and learn. Okay, back through the tube. Come on. Little, but it's like worth. Take him. Don't get off. Don't get off. Okay, number 4. Oh, there my worm went off. Woo! Number 4, guys. Number 4. All we get. That's all I want. I just need a limit so I can have 5 on the board. I'm gonna fish here for a little bit. Number 4. Use a little one. He'll do. Nice hook set. Okay. Number 4, guys. He's tiny. Crap. Wow. Fish here for a little bit. See if I can't find a bigger fish. Number 4. Put them on the board. Okay, so update. I caught 4 fish so far, and I have 1 more to go. I got 2 more hours, so I'm pretty confident that I'll get my 5th fish on the board. I'm not real confident that I'm going to get any upgrades, but I'm going to try real hard to get 5 fish on the board since that's my main goal today. So 2 more hours, folks. Let's do it. Okay, we have about an hour left, and I still have 1 more fish to catch, and I'm taking a big risk of going across the lake. I hope it pays off, guys, because I don't really know what else to do. So, here I go. One last ditch effort to catch a limit. That is a wrap for the 5th Derby tournament that I have done on West Boggs Lake. I did not get a limit. That's okay. I was out here to not skunk, have fun, and hopefully get a limit, which I did not get. That's okay, because I really feel like I'm getting to know this lake a little bit better, so I might just mess around for a little bit before heading home. Anyways, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. That is a wrap for the Garby tournament on West Boggs Lake. It's a little bit of a better lake for me than it was in the beginning. At least I didn't skunk. I caught 4 fish. I just could not catch the 5th one. I couldn't find it. I should have stayed where I was in the beginning where I was catching fish. I panicked and went flying across the whole lake. I went from one end to the other. Wasted a ton of time. Either way, I'm pretty happy with today. It's a beautiful day to be on the lake. It's warm. The sun is shining. I am so grateful to be on the lake. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at this, you guys. Can you believe this? Yes. West Boggs, I will be back for you next year. See you then. Nice one. Here we go. Thank you, West Boggs. Here I met a hammer, Jeremy Hickman, at the dock. That was pretty cool.